What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. We're here to talk more about XRP. I think there's a lot of things to discuss here. I think a lot of things with the ETFs change a lot of things here. I was just reading this morning about the Solana ETF, and I'm going to be honest. I think the first one that gets dropped here in 2025 is probably going to be one of the more successful ETFs. Uh, like kind of how when Bitcoin got their ETF, they exploded, right? Ethereum dropped their ETF and it didn't do as healthy as the other ones did. And so I kind of like asked myself, I wonder which one's going to drop first this year. Is it going to be Solana? Is it going to be Dogecoin? Is it going to be Litecoin? Is it going to be XRP? I think the question's on the table there, and I think the first one that drops is going to probably be the most successful ETF out there in terms of this year. But hey, to each your own on this. Before we jump into it, I want to say what's up to the whole chat here. What's going on, everyone? We got big watching here. Seiko, Tim Shea, we got my mods in the house here. What's up, guys? Good to see you, dude. Chadwick's in the house here. Tall Paul, good to see you, man. Tony Punch, what's up, buddy? We got Victor. We got Karen. What's up, Karen? Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Chadwick's in the house. Jimmy, Toolbox. What's up, man? Bob Fox. What's up, man? Steven. Good to see you guys. Oh my God, Hunt coming in hot with the freaking $100 bomb. I get that said it in Discord, man. You're wild, bro. You're wild, but I appreciate this a ton. Thank you so much for the super chat. A bet's a bet. Shout out to Salmon and the A team. Damn, dude, there was a bet. All right, shoot. There was a bet. And at least, hey, man, at least you're holding up to your end of the bargain on the bet. That's awesome, dude. And appreciate whatever the bet was. I have no idea what it was, but appreciate the super chat, man, for the $100 bomb. Gosh, dang, way to start off the freaking Saturday. Here we go, starting off Saturday, full of octane right now with this $100 bomb. So thank you so much. Thank you very, very much, Hunt. Sean. Let's see here. George, Sean, thanks so much for becoming a new member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. And I tell you the truth, you might actually already been one. I was trying to see who actually hasn't been one. That's what I was trying to always see now is like, because sometimes people renew it, but it looks like you're fairly new here, Sean. So welcome. My Ultra Journey, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Hope all is well with you, dude. Casper, what's up, man? Correct Distortion, Chameleon. What's up, man? You guys are all on top of it today. We got Adam L in the house. We got where'd he go? Where I go? There's Adam. What's up? Good morning, hi fan. You funny, dude. Always funny. Shannon, what's up, man? What's up, dude? Good to see you guys. We're ready to kick it off. All right. Let's jump into this, man. We got some things to cover today. I think the big thing for me that I want to cover today is obviously there's a big discussion now being had about the Solana ETF, right? I brought this up yesterday. And one of the big things out here yesterday was that let me get this. It's weird. There's like a replay right here. There we go. I was like, man, why does it keep replaying? There we go. One of the big things coming out here was who's going to come first? Is it going to be XRP ETF? Is it going to be a Dogecoin ETF? You can see right here that the SEC is embracing Dogecoin, XRP, and Litecoin. But you also have the Solana ETF out here, and they're probably all going to drop this year. But the question is, which one's going to drop first? And I've said this before because I think it's important that when Bitcoin dropped back in January 11th, this thing went up like almost 100% from where it actually started at. When Ethereum launched back in July 23rd of 2024, this thing didn't really do a whole lot. It actually kind of like faded out and didn't really do what we all thought it was going to do, like with what Bitcoin did. Like everyone thought it was going to do exactly what Bitcoin did, and unfortunately did not do anything like Bitcoin did. And I guess that's kind of where it comes down to here is which of these ETFs is going to perform like a Bitcoin and which ones are going to perform like an Ethereum. And I don't know the answer to it. But I do feel that the first one that comes out here in 2025 will be probably the more hyped up one and more successful one just because of that. And so I'm praying, keep my fingers crossed, I'm praying that XRP might be one of the first. But, we'll see what happens here. And I could be wrong, dude. I'm speculating on whether they all could perform. They all could perform very, very well. You know what I mean? So I'm not saying that one will outperform the other. The first one coming is usually the one that has a lot of hype behind it. So, yeah, and again, thanks Hunt for the super chat there, bro. What's up, Grandma G? What's up, man? This community is great. Just saying, the most positive crypto community I've been in. I'm with you, dude. I'm not saying that just because it's my the A team and my channel. I truly believe that a lot of people have joined in on this channel and on this Discord and have been great people. Honestly, I got super fortunate, super lucky, and couldn't be happier for the people that show up every day and just support the hell out of me, out of the channel, out of every A-teamer in here. It's badass, dude. Dynastic Wolf, what's up, buddy? I feel like I haven't seen you in a minute, dude. Hope all is well. Anyone hear about the big news that's coming in crypto market this week? Well, there is some news out here. You had the All In podcast come out here. As you guys know, David Sachs came out and talked about how they're going to have a pretty big crypto announcement coming up here with their thing. And we'll play this later today. But he has a pretty good insight as to sort of where crypto's at, where he sees it. I think that's really good to see. Another positive thing here. I don't know what you guys know. We used to be the top 4%ers. If you guys don't remember, about 3 years ago, I think we were the top 4%ers. We'd always say, like, welcome to being in the 4%er. Now it's the 7%er. So less than 7% of the global population is invested in crypto. And that's actually pretty wild, dude. And it said right here, fun fact, 93% of the global population is about to be used as exit liquidity by the 7%. So true. And then this guy says there's no way only 7% of the world is so I was reading these comments, I was cracking up. But now we're part of the 7%. Dude, it used to be the 4%. Now we're part of the 7%. So if you are new to crypto, welcome. You're now part of the 7%ers. So now you'll probably see everyone talk about the 7%ers. XRP Pioneer, thanks so much for the super chat. XRP bouncing. Yeah, so as you can see right now, XRP, I was looking at this morning here. Everyone was trying to find entry points. We did talk about like there was a nice little fair value gap here on the 4 hour. Let's go back to the 4 hour chart here. It's going to be right down here at the 265. So right where there's a 20-day EMA moving up right here. You can see it's a little purple. It's right here, and it's moving up right here about 265. And I said 265 a couple days ago that if we retrace back to 265, that's not a bad deal. It'd be about roughly, see where we're at. But a roughly 6% decrease. That's not even that bad. But that'd be a healthy, that'd be a healthy, it would be a healthy dip. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. I don't want to say anything like too drastic, but I mean, like that'd be healthy. It gives some people some entry points, So if you're looking to enter, I think that's a good spot to come into. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, yeah, you probably could put one down here at the 250 marker, right at the top of the 0.5. 0.5 seems to be a decent one right here. It bounces off at least, so there's a nice little level of support there. But if you wanted to be a little less aggressive, yeah, this 265 seems to be about a nice little area that it could come down to. It could touch, retrace to, and then bounce up for the next level here. Again, we want there to be some form of retracement in this, guys. It's not like we always want it to just continue to go up. Like, yes, that's ideal, but that's not how markets work. So there could be some retracements, just a matter of how far that retracement goes. And so just realize that. And it's okay to put a stop. It's okay to put an order in there. And if it hits, it hits, right? And if it doesn't, it doesn't. And we move forward. So if you're looking for entry points, those are kind of where the entry points are at right now on the charting right now. So yeah, XRP is bound. Thanks so much for the super chat there. Good morning, man. What's up? Can anyone explain why market cap doesn't matter for XRP? Well, there's a lot of reasons why it doesn't matter. There's a lot of reasons. I don't think market cap matters for a lot of crypto, including Bitcoin. So yeah, but we can get into that a little bit later. Everyone have a great Sunday. You too, Sam. Hope you have a great Sunday too. Wouldn't it be fair to say that ETFs are a safer play when the markets are rocketing? Well, they're safer play because you don't have to be the custodian of your money. That's why ETFs are nice, because it allows people who maybe aren't crypto savvy, maybe don't want the responsibility of holding the keys to their crypto. Maybe they don't want the responsibility of like having to get it, onto a ledger and into a non-custodial wallet and have the keys to it. So they what they do is they're just like our stocks. We go out and we buy our stocks, and then we have a person who is the custodian for it. So that's what an ETF does. It allows people to have easy access to crypto, really is what it comes down to. And then they don't have to sweat or worry about it like a lot of us do. So the big crypto announcement, hopefully it's good meat in the bone compared to last time. It better be, well, I don't think it could be as bad as last time. So we could say that for sure, that it's probably gonna be better than the last one. I'm sure that they read a lot of, one thing about Sachs is that he is actually probably in tune with social media. I'm pretty sure he probably read that, and he read the room and was like, holy crap, dude, I didn't realize that like we set such a bad tone it was just a bad take. Everyone was like, what the hell? I even watched crypto banter I went back because I saw there was a little meme that someone made on their reaction to it. And dude, even watching that, I was cracking up, dude. Like they were just like, "What the hell did we just witness?" So it was actually pretty funny. XRP King, thanks so much for gifting one membership to the A team. If you got gifted that membership, please say thank you to XRP King and that one new person. Welcome, welcome, my friend. Don't forget to hit that like button. Appreciate you, Karen. I hope XRP won't disappoint us like AMC did. Nah, dude, they're not even the same boat. Yeah, not even the same boat there. Awesome channel. What an army. Yeah, Casper, it's a great channel, man. 5 minutes late. Good morning, awesome. What's up, Mom Dharma? Good to see you. Oh yeah, I appreciate nah. I try to keep it a little bit of humor, right? You gotta have some kind of fun. But yeah. Thank you so much, Mom Dharma. Good to see you. I'm glad you're here. I've learned so much listening. Oh, Maria, that's awesome. That's awesome. I'm happy. And it's a slow day today, man. Markets are not looking too hot overall. I mean, it's going to be a slow mover today. Probably feels like molasses today compared to the last day or two where the markets have been trending really nicely. As you know, we've kind of fallen flat on the market, not just with XRP, but the market entirely has kind of gone flat. I mean, even Stellar not doing, it's still kind of flat right there. It's moved its way up though. Actually, look at that. XLM has jumped over Avalanche. So good to see that Stellar has done well. Hedera seems to be teetering, back and forth between 16 and 17. Litecoin has actually came back into the top 15, which is kind of, it's probably going to continue to rise up with more talks to the ETF. This is one of the OGs. Litecoin is legit, guys. I've been saying Litecoin is legit for a long time. Now, is it easy to move and easy to do all this stuff? No. Is it super slow? Yes. Trust me, there's a lot of there's a lot of pluses and minuses to Litecoin, but I mean, Litecoin is one of the very few mineable cryptos out there that I actually really think is legit. Same with that of Dogecoin. So like, I kind of dig those ones, and those are the ones that are on the next ETF bandwagon. But I think a lot of these top 20 cryptos are going to do well. I think Hedera is going to get an ETF. Stellar is going to get an ETF. Link's going to get an ETF. Cardano, all these ones are going to get ETFs up here eventually at some point. I don't know when that's going to happen, but I mean, it's probably going to be there at some point. And, the sooner you're in it, the better it's going to be. I know you said you don't like the stake. Your thoughts on staking the solid crypto? I'm going to tell you, I like staking if it's auto staking. That's it. If it's a fixed staking where you have to stake for like 6 months, I'm not doing it. If it's a 3-month staking or 2-month staking, not doing it. Now, if I have to stake to vote, like say it has to be held for 14 days because we're voting on like a governance, I'll do that. That's part of the game. But like I'm talking like Ethereum, right? People were staking their Ethereum 2.0 for like 2 years and they couldn't touch it, dude. And like that's crazy to me. Like to like basically lock away your money for that long just seems crazy. I can't do it, dude. I can't do it. So I've just never been in that line of staking where you have to give up your money for a certain period of time to get your APY. I'd rather just put my money in there and work on my APY. And if I choose to pull it out, I choose to pull it out. That's where I'm at, Ziegel. So I do like staking as long as it's auto staking. So ETFs are so expensive. I don't know if the ETFs are going to be, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see where they start out, right? It'll be interesting to sort of see where they start out in pricing. Big Jur, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend. What's up, everyone? What's up, Gabriel? Can you talk about Ondo, the buy zone right now? Yeah, Ondo. We can talk about some Ondo. Yeah, I need to actually buy some Ondo before this thing takes off. Ondo is actually like this is I've been trying to find some buy zones here for this, and it's probably entered into there. It's come down, it's filled up this fair value gap here, but it's actually had some nice stabilization in here since its rally upward. And it doesn't really give me a whole lot. I gotta probably. I mean, dude, it's honestly probably there, dude. I should probably look at buying some right now. Yeah, this is that liquidation event right there. You can't, it's hard to count for on that liquidation event. But I mean, yeah, it's probably right there, dude. It's probably like this 125 area seems to be like a pretty good key area that it bounces off of a lot. It doesn't hit a whole lot. Let's go to the day chart. Let's see, the day chart gives me a better observation. Dude, that's actually been like really flat. That's actually not that bad. But it's only come down to this level since almost a month, dude. It's been down to this level only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, dude, in a month. That's five, yeah, like five, yeah, dude. That's pretty crazy. Wow. The day charts definitely doesn't look. I mean, it definitely looks a little under purchased right there. The 12 hours definitely coming down. 4 hours down. Yeah, this is probably prime, dude. This is probably primed right now. Wouldn't be bad. I mean, yeah, 225 is probably not a bad entry point, dude. 225 is probably not bad. I'm gonna mark that. I'm gonna mark that because I have been trying to find a good entry point for this 225. 225. Okay. Yeah, 225 seems to be like the area. Um, so yeah. Do you think Litecoin will be the first ETF? Dude, I'm feeling it's gonna probably be Litecoin. Yeah, I think Litecoin will probably be the first ETF, dude. I don't know why I have that feeling, but I do agree that they could be the first ETF. Um, Kind of crazy that that would be it, but yeah, I think Litecoin might be the one. And then, I mean, the SEC paid attention when Canary Capital submitted its file to create Litecoin ETF. Lately, Litecoin has taken an important advancement in its market status through the move to reach wider crypto investment market beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, I mean, like Litecoin has actually stepped up their game, dude. And I actually dig. Litecoin has stuck up. One thing I like about Litecoin is it is stuck up for XRP, dude. If you guys don't remember, Litecoin is Litecoin is a hard fork of Bitcoin, and Dogecoin is a hard fork of Litecoin. I've said this before. And if you don't remember when the whole Jack Mallers thing came out here, and he attacked XRP, you basically, and then you had XRP and Brad Garlinghouse come out here and basically say like, hey, we're trying to bring everyone together and work together. Litecoin actually came out and called out Jack and said how they have Litecoin has helped Bitcoin in a lot of ways, and basically all the Bitcoiners out there have crapped on Litecoin, and he said, enough, dude. We're not supporting you guys anymore. And basically gave them the middle finger. And so you had the Litecoin creator come out and say this on their Twitter. If you go back and look on their X page, like Litecoin was like lighting up the freaking Bitcoin maxis. And I was like, hell yeah, dude. Like at least the Litecoin's a little based on this and, wanted to support like all crypto, not just Bitcoin, but all crypto. And so I was like, dude, like, hell yeah, I'm supporting the hell out of Litecoin right now, dude. And it was just good to see. I mean, they finally said, enough of you guys, man. We're going to continue to build our own stuff here and do our own thing. And, we helped you guys out in the time of need, but whenever we need help, you guys just give us the middle finger. And that's kind of what it is. So, yeah, I think Litecoin's legit, guys. Litecoin has always been good. I've always loved Litecoin. It's a little cumbersome. It sucks to transfer. Like there's not a lot of places that hold Litecoin, but it is a legit mineable crypto, dude, and that's true decentralization right there. Austin, when are we going to see the Pure Wallet token launch? I want to buy more launch. I don't know exactly when it's going to launch. It's probably going to extend out, dude. I'm hoping, dude. Like just me personally, like because it just moved over. It's at 4 cents, 4 cents 5.5. Like I'm hoping it gets to like 10 cents before it freaking launches, so I can be up 100% on my investment. Is that being selfish? I don't know if that's being selfish, but that's kind of where I'm at. I'm like, shoot, man, like I'd rather this thing get up to freaking like $10 before we launch. So launches at $10. I'm already I'm already up 100% on my investment, dude. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but like that might sound a little selfish, but hey, I'm on board with that. So Chase, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel, my friend. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, dude. Mucker, thanks so much for the $2 super chat. Hunt is the man. Big up A team with a bunch. Yeah, you guys are awesome, dude. I don't know what the bet was. I did see something about it in Discord, but I don't know if that was really a bet or not. But you guys are awesome, and Hunt is yeah, that's amazing, dude. Appreciate you a ton, dude. And thanks so much for the super chat again, bud. Austin, I'm pretty down. I'm pretty good. I'm down pretty good on XLM and HBAR. Would it be worth eating the loss and rolling into Ondo with the plays been making? I try not to do stuff like that, especially if I believe in a project, especially like top tier projects like an HBAR and an XLM, because they're going to come back. And when the moment that you do make that happen, that's usually when they start to rally. So I try to really avoid that kind of stuff. That's just me personally, and like my own rule. Doesn't mean you can't do it. I just have like my own little rules that I've set because I wouldn't buy it if I wanted to get rid of it. So I just look at it that way. And I don't know if you're day trading it or if you're holding it for like long term. Um, I have a hypothetical I wanted to address. I know banks, they move millions, billions, trillions, and even quadrillions daily. So my question is, there are approximately 57 billion XRP tokens available. Yeah. So do you know, it's gonna be interesting. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but yeah, there's 57 billion and I don't know if they're even gonna have, because originally it was talked about how they were gonna have to, leverage with the banks and have the banks use it. And I don't think that's gonna be the case. I think RLUSD comes in and takes over that. RLUSD is a game changer to the ecosystem for how XRP was originally going to come out, I think. You've been hitting it well with the predictions. What are you thinking right now? You said earlier 265, but based on liquidity chart, would it drop significantly? Um, that's why I like to be aggressive with mine. So, I think we're all different. I'm more of an aggressive on this. So like I'm probably sitting around the 250 marker again. I mean, we're down here at the 250, 245. Like I probably wouldn't leave. I'd probably stay down here and try to get in at this price down here. Um, I've accumulated my bag. I don't my day trades, I'm a little bit more riskier with my day trades. Or a swing trade that I get into, I'm not going to say day trade because it's not a day trade. But I try to be a little bit riskier with my plays. And so, yeah, this would probably be this would be like a, um, or sorry, I say risky. I mean, aggressive, less aggressive. This is a less aggressive at 265. Because it could come down and probably hit into the 250s again, for sure. And, again, these are strong levels. You can even see that happened at the 12-hour, happened at the 4-hour. So we got fair value gaps that happen at both of them. They don't happen at all of them, right? You can see that there's changes in these. So usually I try to go to the 4-hour and the 12-hour, and usually when they show up here, those ones tend to actually do get filled pretty good. So, you know, it all depends on where XRP goes. It did get rejected here the whole day. It got rejected at 281. So it's gonna have to take some volume coming back in here and to get above this 281. But I'd probably stay with 265, and then maybe put one at 250. It all depends. It's all risk. I love Litecoin. Yeah. Trent, thanks so much for the 4.99 super chat, dude. BHC is an important utility asset to include in a well-diversified portfolio for the professionals, mature, and sophisticated investors. I don't even know what the hell BHC is, dude. And I know you said just joking, but like I'm trying to think of like, what is BHC? Is that like a made up meme coin or something, bro? Trent, thanks so much for the thanks so much for the super chat, man. I appreciate that a ton. You take a look at H bar if you haven't already. Yeah, we can take a look at H bar, bud. H bar's been sideways, dude. This is some sideways trading right here. And I have my number here at 22.5 is still my purchase order for it. If I were to enter into a swing trade, it would be 22.5. It seems like we bounce off the 22.5 and we actually do pretty well, go up roughly about 6-7%. So that's actually a pretty good swing trade return right there. And it seems that we come to play around this 22.5 area. So, that's kind of where I have it at right now, 22.5. And I actually need to change that color. Let's change it to white. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with H bar. H bar's kind of been a little bit flat, dude, since this liquidity grab. It's having a hard time recovering after the liquidity grab. It's probably one of the harder ones to recover right now. Seems to be, anyways. Yes, it is just another wonderful day in the neighborhood. Austin, you sound much better. Millicent, I actually feel a lot better. I'm still a little stuffy, still congested just a tad bit. But yeah, overall, I mean, energy wise, I feel like I'm getting back into the swing of things. So yeah, I appreciate that a ton, dude. I think you have to pay monthly. So yeah, it's recurring monthly. Francisco, thanks for being a member for 1 month, dude. Can you explain what an ETF is? I mean, an ETF really is an exchange traded fund. So the whole goal is that you're taking investments and you're like pooling these investments into a fund. And so that's kind of how an ETF works. And so you'll basically you can actually have multiple assets in a fund if you chose to. There's not just saying that it has to be like one asset, one fund. So there's a lot of things you can do, and then those are actually then traded on the stock market. So like, let's just take Bitcoin. Bitcoin's put into an electronic fund. There's basically people now that invest in it, and then you can actually go on the stock market, and there's like Grayscale has their own. I think it's like GBTC, I think is what it is, which is Grayscale's Bitcoin exchange fund. And you can go on to the like Fidelity and you can actually buy that fund. And they actually price their own fund. So I think it's like originally when it started, it was like $20 per share. It's just like a share, like you're buying like Apple or anything like that. That's all you're doing. You're just buying a share. And instead of you going and buying Bitcoin on the open market, you're buying the fund which actually owns Bitcoin. That's really all it is, dude. You're buying it on the stock market versus buying it on Coinbase, and you're buying it under a fund. So yeah, it's really, and you don't have to. And the thing is, like, you're not the custodian of it. It's like Fidelity would be the custodian of it. So it's a safer bet for a lot of people. Plus, it's actually it's secured and it's back. You know, it has to be through the SEC. It's a security. So there's a lot of positive things, just no different than buying Apple or buying Google or buying MicroStrategies or any of that kind of stuff. So yeah, they don't really say when. Usually, it could be like up to 2 or 3 weeks after they approve an application. And again, they just received the application, so they're taking receiving of it. They haven't actually approved it. Once it gets approved, it's probably going to be like a couple days before it launches. I mean, that's how Bitcoin was. As soon as Bitcoin got approved, man, you had Gary Gensler come out here with an intern who dropped that day before that ETF, and the whole market like split, like went up, and then they pulled the freaking tweet, and the market came down. And I was like, man, they're really manipulating the hell out of us right now. I don't know if you guys remember that. That was wild. They're like, sorry, an intern actually hacked our computer, and I'm like, how does the SEC not have 2FA, man, on their Twitter account? Like, really, we have a government agency that can't even do 2FA? I still remember that, dude. That's so crazy to me. Gary Gensler was, God, he was dumb. Hey, Phantom, hope you're feeling better, Austin. Better be making you soup this time, dude. I'm like souped out, bro. I think I ate like the most pho and rice soup and chicken noodle soup that I've eaten in like the last 10 days. And like all I want is just a freaking big steak, dude. That's all I want right now. Expecting a pullback on Sunday. I think we're already starting to have a little bit of a pullback right now. We could probably have a little bit of a pullback. Weekends tend to sometimes have pullbacks, but we could have a nice little bounce back coming into the week. I mean, I think things are starting to settle down after like just started to settle down because of the tariff stuff. So yeah. Um the crypto, what's up, man? Yo, A-Team strong. What's up, man? Crypto can be diabolic. You pull from one into another and one pull. Yeah, Corbin, I'm with you, dude. 100%. Uh yeah, you have to you can't day trade it. You have to put it on the exchange. You're gonna be on the open exchange. I would guess you could probably try to. Ginger is beneficial. I've been eating so much ginger, I feel, dude. Caspa getting listed on Coinbase futures, dude. Hey, Caspa's legit too, right? Caspa's another mineable crypto out there right now. So yeah, 2FA on everything. Do me too. Do. What's your thoughts on Sui? Dude, Sui's looking solid, bro. Yeah, and Sui has a lot of support, which is great, right? And when I say a lot of support, it's people talking about it because they like it. Like XRP has a lot of support because there's content creators out there. There's just people out there in general that are talking about it because they like the asset. And so when you have people that are just they're not paid to talk about it, they're just talking about it because they're invested personally in it, and then they like what it can do. Like that's when you know you have a solid community. And Sui is one of those where I think the community is actually pretty damn solid. A lot of people are positive with it, and that's kind of stuff that you want when you're talking about a crypto or being involved in a crypto, is the people behind it that are willing to talk about it. And yeah, I think it's going to continue to do well. Obviously, this thing went on a massive roar, hit its all-time high at $5, came crashing back down to $2. I mean, 50% down on this liquidation event right here. Again, a lot of momentum behind this product right here in terms of Sui. I think they're going to continue to do well, man. They're going to continue to do well. 50 by the end of the year? No, that's not realistic to me. That's not. Can it hit 50? Yeah. I mean, it probably can eventually, but 50 by the end of the year would be that'd be crazy. Like I was saying, even with if we go back and look at history, I was going to do this today because I forgot to do it yesterday on stream. We were talking about how XRP, or let's just take Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin's a perfect example of it, right? And let's go back and look at Bitcoin. Let me go to the day chart here. When Bitcoin came out back in back in the Let's see here. Let me find it on the map here. July of 2024. So here's Bitcoin, dude. So before Bitcoin hit, this is the ETF right here. Okay, guys. These are the ETFs right here. So yeah, I think January 11th is when the ETF came out. January 11th, right? And so you can see right here, January 11th is right here. And this is actually the spike of Gary Gensler's account of the SEC right here. I don't know if you guys knew that, but this little spike right here was because they accidentally released the drop here, and it was beforehand, and it went boom. And then they're like, no, we're not listing it, and it went boom. And then they listed it on the 11th, and everyone was like had like exhaustion from that, and it ended up selling off right here. And everyone was like, "Oh my god, the ETFs completely obliterated the market." And then we had this massive rally, dude, from the ETFs. Soon as like it was out there, man. Grayscale, BlackRock, all these companies came out here. This thing went on a massive rally. This right here, from here right here up to here, is all ETF, dude. That is all ETF right there, and probably retail. But that went up literally just in that from January 24th to March 15th, basically almost 2 months, 2.5 months. This thing rallied 91%. 91%, dude. A lot of it had to do with the ETFs. So let's just say that like we have the same result when it comes to XRP or any of these ETFs for that matter. It doesn't have to just be Bitcoin. We're saying that we're going to say that on average, the price of our asset because of an ETF listing over the course of a 2-month period is going to be about 91% gain. Let's just play that hypothetically out. Okay. So let's go back and actually look. Okay. Let's go back and look at XRP. 91% is the average, right? So let's just say that here we rally and, we're up here, we're sitting here at like $3, right? And then here, probably in the next, couple weeks we get listed. So we're up here at like $3 and we're like, okay, well, we go up 92%. We're going to say $3 where we're at, just playing around hypothetically. And then we're going to go up 91%. I don't even have enough on my map here. 91%. 92%. That puts us at $5.76 in 2.5 months. Like, I know that's hypothetical, but we just saw it play out with Bitcoin, the largest asset that had the most market cap, holds the most market cap, meaning that you have to literally put in a crap ton of money to actually get it to move 90%. You have to put in so much money because of the market cap on that thing to actually move that thing up to where it's at. Right now we're sitting at $150 billion market cap with XRP. You don't have to put that much in to actually get this to a 92%. You don't have to put that much in. You know what I mean? It's not even close. And so for people sitting there on the sidelines, this is what I said yesterday. People are going to miss out. People are going to miss out on this opportunity right here. This one right in front of us. This ETF is going to make XRP boom. It's going to, dude. Without question, it's going to. I don't know if it's going to be 92%, but it's going to, even if it's 50%, dude, that's freaking sick, right? A 50% gain in 2 months, crazy. The average you get in the stock market for any stock out there over a year is 7% return in an entire year. We're talking a 50% in 2 months. You can't get that kind of stuff anywhere else, man. So hypothetically, best it could do is 92%. I mean, anything else in between is what it is. But I'm just saying, like, and that's saying that it starts at $3. I don't know where this is going to begin. I don't know where XRP is going to be when the ETF news comes out. It could be sitting at 385. I mean, imagine that, guys. Imagine if we're sitting at 385. We have this rally. We're rolling up here. We get to 385. All this good stuff is coming out, and then boom, at 385. 385, we hear ETF coming out. We go up 92%. I mean, now you're in the $7 range. Now you're in the $7 range. So everyone want to play hypotheticals here, but yeah, money's going to come in. Money's going to come in. The reason why money's going to come in is because these companies make money off ETFs. They make money off the fees. They make money off people buying these things and the fees associated with them. Just like how Robinhood and Coinbase and all these other companies out here had the best earnings they've had in who knows how long, and in September. Which again, if you go back and look at all the history of the chart right here, just the last month, like this is December. This is Q4 right here. This is all Q4 going into and it's look at that. Look at this is all Q4. Boom. So yeah, of course their Q4 earnings are going to be great, dude, because everything just went nuts. And they made all this money off of fees and trading and futures and shorting and longing. Dude, they made so much money, dude, these exchanges. Same with ETFs, dude. Grayscale, BlackRock, all these companies make a ton of money off these ETFs. So you don't think they're going to be pushing the hell out of these things? Heck yeah, they are, dude. Heck yeah, they are. And there's going to be people going, "Oh, I can buy this ETF for $2. I can buy this penny stock. I can buy this penny stock ETF. Hell yeah, I'm going to buy this penny stock ETF." So I don't know, man. Maybe I'm getting a little excited. Maybe I'm getting a little amped up on it because I just think there's like a lot of potential behind it, and I think there's going to be so many people miss out on this. So many people miss out on it. It blows my mind, dude. So I'm super behind on the chat now because I just went on this massive rant. So sorry about that. I love how you always say sorry for cussing. Well, I just know some people in here don't like cussing, so I try to not cuss as much, and I sometimes I do on accident. So Austin, why aren't you buying H bar at? Why aren't you buying? I'm buying it at 222.5. If you're doing tax on your own, I really would give advice getting a coin tracker, cut down tax time. Dude, coin tracker is legit, bro. RS Miller, 100%, dude. Best thing I ever invested in like 5 years ago. Austin Worm just scrolled past a video that was the day XRP is going to zero. That's funny. Crypto King. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Heck yeah, dude. Love that guy. H bar is lifting up. I was going to put a coin on it, but a little, oh yeah. Just watching the move. I'm with you, dude. H bar is, it's been kind of flat. It's moving up right now, though. Looking like it's trying to come back over the last hour a little bit. Come back up to that 23 marker. Jason, thanks so much for the $5 super chat, man. Connected Pure Wallet and CoinB Wallet. How do I know? How do I now buy pre-sale? So for Coinbase Wallet, you got to actually do it inside the wallet. So once it's inside the wallet, then you just buy it, and then you'll connect your wallet back up to the pre-sale on the Pure Wallet pre-sale. So like you'll connect your wallet back up here, and it should tell you. Let's see here. Connect wallet. Connection can be declined. Do previous requests still active? Oh, interesting. I don't know why it's not working here. Let's see. Let's go to SafePal. Let's go to my SafePal wallet. See my SafePal wallet. So as soon as you connect it, you'll actually see your balance up here, and then you'll see your how much tokens you have. Wonder why my MetaMask is not working here. Let's go. That's weird. MetaMask is not working. Come on. There we go. Let's see if I can connect now. There we go. So you can see right here. See, you can see your tokens, your amount of ETH that you have, and then the tokens that you have. So that's how you do it, Jason. And inside the wall, you're going to have to do that. Inside the wall, you're going to have to do it inside the wall. Go copy and paste it inside the wall in the browser section. YouTube flags me if I cuss. Does it really, dude? I did not know that. Jorge, what's up, man? Thanks so much for the $5 super chat. I think you already said it, but what is a good price to get more XRP? What is a good range to buy right now? I was just saying, like, I don't, it's hard to say what the retracements are going to be. I mean, this is, obviously gone up here, but like, 265 seems to be like a good fair value gap. Plus, you can see right now that that's where on the, let's actually go to the 4 hour. 4 hour gives you a good idea right here. So you can see right here, the blue is the 100-day EMA. The 100-day EMA right now has actually come down on the 4 hour right here, sitting here right around the 261. So if you split the difference between the 100-day EMA, it's actually looking pretty good. Oh, sorry, that's the 100-day EMA, and so it's coming down pretty nicely, right? Boom, and now you have the 50 working its way back up right here. If we go to the 12 hour is still sitting there pretty good too. Even the 50 is sitting right here at this 265. Everything's kind of converging between 260 and 265. So that's kind of the area that you want to be in, 260, 265, somewhere in that ballpark. if you were to put in if I were to put in like a buy order right now, it probably would be in that area. And again, that's bullish, right? Hoping that it's going to bounce off that and come back up because again, we can't predict the negative news out there or what's negative to come, but that's not a bad entry point compared to where we were just at here at 245. So yeah, 260, 265 seems to be an ideal. You can see it all converging right there, right? You see all that? Let me zoom in a little bit further for you here. You can see all the numbers converging. We want that. All these things are like magnets, dude, pulling together. And this is on the 12-hour. Again, this is actually a really good number right here. So yeah, right around this like 260, 265, somewhere in this ballpark, dude. You got the 10-day coming up. You got the 20-day merging in on here. You got the really good number right here which is the 100-day EMA. And then on top up here, you got this is the 50-day EMA. And if we wanted to get a little bit more aggressive, we could see that there's a 200-day EMA down here, which again, this one's outside the factor, but this is actually a nice little buy zone right in here. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. So yeah. Anyone trying to predict XRP price is a waste of your time. You can't go to history. Yeah, but you can find entry points, John. You're not trying to predict. Oh, we're trying to. You're trying to predict. I get what you're saying. Predict price. You could still try to see where things could be. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think that I definitely think that we're not wrong with these numbers up here. Oh, maybe it's the wrong chart. When I go back and look at these numbers that we've had up here for a while now, over I don't know how long I've had these numbers here. I don't think these are outside the realm of possibility by any means. Like I said, if we get over $7, dude, like I packed my bag, dude. I'm done. You know what I mean? Like I'm solid. I bought the pre-sale wallet using my Phantom wallet, but I can't see it on my wallet. Is it right? So Nano, you gotta log into the website. The website's gonna show you your tokens, and until they launch, it's not gonna show up in your wallet. So the only way to actually view it is right here where it says Pure Wallet Token Balance, which is on the website. They will not show up in the wallet until they launch. Then when they launch, you'll actually have the tokens drop to your wallet, which then you'll be able to see it. So that's the big difference. My wife is mad because I bought XRP yesterday and not a gift for her. What do you think I should do in the situation? Asking because she's comparing it to wasting it on strippers. I don't mean to laugh at you, but that caught me off guard, dude. Man, that's tough, dude. That's tough. Trying to think of what I would do if Fan said that to me. Hmm. That's a good one, dude. I don't know. I would probably, honestly, I would be like, "Hey, baby, I bought this XRP. This XRP is for you, and when this thing triples here in like a month or two, like you can buy whatever you want with it. All right, that's what it's for. I wanted you to be able to buy whatever you wanted. Okay, that I do something like that. You know what I mean? Something along those lines. And I, make sure I give her a big kiss. Do something. Oh, that's funny though. That's funny, dude. You better get her a spa treatment. I'd try to like make it like her gift somehow. That's what I would do. And then like take out the trash a couple extra times. Really? You had to do me dirty like that, Fan? The best thing, dude, like one thing I will say that I'm super fortunate for is that like we like Fan and I are really like not in Austin sweet talk. Like it's I don't know how to explain it. It's weird. We probably do a really bad job of getting each other presents because we just do it all for the kids, and like it's just been that way for a long time, and I'm always been okay with it, and I think she and Fan has too. Like there's no expectation there, and that's kind of what I love. Like there's no expectation. I can't get the Discord to work. Uh-oh. I always take out the trash. Yeah, I take out the trash too. Our trash is our trash. We have to walk. I have to walk around the back side of the house, There's no way fans doing that. Derek Hahn is February 25th in Denver. Could this be the key to H bar's price increase? Could be. Could be. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool, dude. Do you have the purple lighting behind yourself, a neon strip? Yeah, it's just like a not a neon strip. It's like a pole. Like here, looks like this. See, like that. That's all it is. Dude, they're like $30 online, bro. Like $30. They're a little sensitive, but yeah. Take out H bar in the trash. You can't be scared of spending cash. Inca, that's funny. Austin gifts to everyone in XRP, dude. 100%. My wife and I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. It's a waste. Yeah, see, that's how we are, Mice. That's kind of how we are too, dude. Sam Trandy, what's up, bud? What's good, Austin? What's up, 18? Thank you so much for the super chat, buddy. Hope all is well with you, man. Good to see you, dude. Yeah, the MetaMask would not connect to. I did, and I had to use Tangem to buy. Okay, did it work though? Did it work? The purple are throwing money at him. Dex, you funny, man. You funny. Come on, bro. I need it. All I heard was Austin has a purple stripper pole in his room. I mean, if that's what you call this, I don't know what you call this. Is that what you call this? This is yeah, it's just a light. Hey, get off my purple light pole. What's the Sunday price point? Yeah, they're gonna die. You should buy her a fern, dude. A relationship fern. Yeah, get that relationship fern going on. Valentine's Day should be every day. I love it. I love it. That purple pole ain't holding anyone, dude. It's not that purple pole is not holding anyone, dude. My daughter came over here and touched it and it started like flickering and stuff. And I was like, dude, the things are so sensitive. Like it's like I feel like just me touching that right there is probably gonna break it. Like it's worth it's 30. It's worth like $25, dude. That's how much it costs, but the thing's worth like $5, dude, off Temu. Hey, Bridge V. Shh, don't tell everyone that. Don't tell everyone that. Is Pure Wallet up and running yet? I mean it is on ISO. I don't know about you guys gotta tell me. I don't know. Is it on Google? I don't have an Android. You gotta tell me. Is it showing up on Google or not? I don't know. We can actually take a look though. Let's go to the Google store. No, it's still showing that it's probably not gonna come on until Monday, dude. I don't know if like Apple or sorry, I don't know if Google is like I don't know if they work like Monday through Friday or if they work on the weekends to like put their stuff up on. I mean, to put a logo up, I have no idea how that works. I mean, the Apple Store seems to be working. I haven't even checked my phone or my Pure Wallet token seems to be doing pretty. I mean, it opened up right now. I heard some people were saying they were having an issue with it yesterday. I'd see that they were having an issue with it on iOS, but mine's working, and I even double checked it on my other phone too. It was working on the other phone too. So yeah, it's working on my end on the Pure Wallet stuff. So yeah, I'm joking around. I love this YouTube. I know Bridge B. I'm just playing with you, bud. Austin, have you seen the list of Ripple's partnerships with links? I have not, Martha. I have not. Speaking of some of those, though, we have right here, not to mention the CBDC Sparks XRP community debate. I'm actually okay with the CBDC mention not being mentioned on the website. I went through their website yesterday and this morning too, and I'm okay with. Why would we want to talk about CBDCs? I mean, obviously, there's already been a stamp that we're not going to be moving forward with CBDCs. So, like, should we? I don't understand why people are a little upset that they took that down. Is that just me? Am I wrong? Like, doesn't that seem weird that people are like part of the XRP community are upset that we took down CBDCs from the platform? I would be like, yeah, why not? That's just me, I guess. I don't know. What's your Discord, Austin? It is. It's in my description box, dude. You can click on the Discord right there and enter into the Discord at your own risk. Oh, you posted it? Oh, where'd you post it at? Did you tag me in it? Big A, don't be telling people that. Fans in the chat, bro. Just kidding. Your wallet seems to be down for maintenance. I was on there yesterday and didn't get to finish my session. Oh shoot. Are you on you must be on Millicent, you must be on Google. You must be on Android. Yes, I switched to over just for giggles. I have an Android and it worked right away. Okay, shoot. All right. So some of it's working, some of it's not. What's up, Austin? I have a crypto colleague tell me he thinks XRP will go to $7 to $10 by April. Then we'll consolidate all summer down to 3. It's so tough to tell, man. I do think the ETFs are going to make it definitely rock for sure. Yeah, it's definitely on the YouTube channel. Yeah, you can go to my YouTube too. I definitely put it there as well. Phoenix, Arizona app not coming up anymore for Dexy for Apple or for Android. Yeah, I'm kind of happy that they took the CBDC thing off the website. That's just me personally. This is pretty cool to see right here. You got Larry Fink out here, BlackRock CEO, pushing the SEC to tokenize bonds and stocks. This would be huge. If they tokenize stocks and bonds, that could be huge for crypto. When will XRP pump again? I don't know. Has Crud popped his head today? No, he has not. Probably never coming back. Carl, what's up, buddy? Is your opinion, are the American cryptos still the future? I mean, probably, yeah. I think Trump's probably going to make sure that happens. You think Trump coin's done consolidating? I haven't looked at Trump coin since yesterday. Well, I guess I looked at it a couple days ago. I think I think it's gonna come back, dude. I think it's gonna come back. It reminds me of the SHIB, dude. I don't know if you guys remember what SHIB was like, but SHIB rallied and then it came flat for like 9. It was like 9 months, dude. It just flatlined. And then all of a sudden, boom, it just like blew up again. And so that's kind of where I think it's at. Yeah, fair value gap, Frankie Fresh. Fair value gap is where when the markets tend to go on a run, you can see right here, these are called fair value gaps. And what happens is when the market runs, it leaves gaps in the market. And no difference when the market falls, there leaves gaps in the market too. So, you could have a sell-off and there could be a gap in the market too. So again, you can see these little red ones right here. See these red ones? These are red fair value gaps, means that the market fell so fast that it left gaps in the market that should be filled as well. So you could look at it from both ways. You can look at it like, hey, if this retraces, these fair value gaps are gaps in the market that are left that need to be filled. And those the markets tend to gravitate towards filling those gaps. And so when you're looking at that, they tend to pull back and they hit these gaps to be filled. And so when you're trying to evaluate, it's just one indicator. Again, it's just one indicator to look at. But usually when you fall into a fair value gap, you have a better chance of winning your trade. You have a better odd, right, of winning. Not saying that you're going to be successful 100% of the time. It's just saying that you have a better chance of winning when you buy into a fair value gap. And so this helps you find your fair value gap, and then you can buy into it because this gap then gets filled, and then you'll bounce back. You could see these gaps getting filled constantly over the course of months, right? Here's a perfect example, right? This fair value gap, this thing went on a crazy run right here, boom, and it filled the fair value gap. It usually fills about halfway. So that was a buy area right here. 225 was a major buy area for us back at this time. And then this thing went on a massive rally, and we haven't had any fair value gaps. And then boom, this one went on a crazy. So now we have these fair value gaps again, and these tend to get filled. Doesn't mean they all get filled, because you can see there's fair value gaps down here that don't get filled yet. But sometimes these fair value gaps tend to get filled back up before the next leg. And so that's kind of what it is, dude. So it's just an indicator to try to help you better find areas to enter into a trade, and you tend to do better when you enter into them at those gaps. So that's, I guess, in a nutshell, that's what it is, dude. So hopefully that wasn't too fast. Austin, I'm in California. I downloaded the Pure Wallet and it doesn't show my deposits, and instead it says it's restricted California or my VPN. Cycle Law, is that Android or iOS? Android seems to be having an issue. I don't know why. Does it show up when you log into your yeah, it doesn't show you my deposit. It doesn't show your deposit. Oh, did you move Ethereum over there? Cycle law. Deborah, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. Sorry if you answered this already, but can't download Pure Wallet for Android. Yeah, and it seems like Google's having an issue. They took down Google. I don't know exactly how. I don't know exactly what, dude. I just know that there was something along with they're putting up a logo or the Pure Wallet logo on Coinbase, and so they took it down to put up the trademarked logo, and it caused it to like I don't know what happened. Like I said, I haven't talked to the team about it, but it sounds like they like Google like put it down until they put it up there. So I'm hoping Monday it comes back around. I don't know. I don't know how it works with Google. That's outside my realm of knowledge. I still don't know how to use Discord, but when you post on there and what do you post in there? We just talk. It's just a lot of just collaboration with the community. Everyone sort of supports each other, talks about crypto, anything and everything, man. Austin, can you help us navigate through Discord with the iPhone? I'm connected to it. Act is linked, but can't seem to find any of the rooms. Yeah, dude. So go to when you get in there, you go down to the rules, select the rules. You're gonna check mark the rule right here. So hit the rule section, boom, and then it says where it says choose right here. It says start here, choose, and then you can click on the emojis, and the different emojis are the different rooms that you can access to. So click on those emojis or click on all of them, and then you'll have access to all the rooms, and then you'll be able to get in and play around. So that's the best thing you can do. And if sometimes you have to go to a computer to actually do it, so it seems like some people had to do it that way. The TV. No, it's all good. Hey, man, it sometimes the thing, dude, like these tech companies do some finicky things, like Google. You know what I mean? Like they're changing a trademark logo, so they take down your entire thing. It makes no sense. I don't get how it works, dude. I mean, it's up on iOS working, but it's like not on Google. Like that just seems weird to me. What's your opinion on the AI videos, dude? Just be careful with them. They're just scams, Craig. Or scams. Are you doing is that what you're doing, a future profit is Amazon delivery? You guys work your butt off, dude. Great stuff. Yeah. Any upcoming events happening this week we should keep our ear out for? The only thing that's going to be is that there's announcement that the David Sachs podcast, or he came out and basically said there's going to be some news coming out tomorrow, or not tomorrow. I think it's going to be on what day was it? I don't think he actually gave a date. President Crypto said more important announcement on digitals are coming soon. So yeah, we'll see if this comes this week or not. I have no idea. Y'all got there. Lunch is over. You'll be in my ear. All right. All right. Drive safe, buddy. Keep delivering, keep learning, keep saving. Yeah. Don't feel bad. I had the same issue getting in Discord. It's probably because I didn't read a damn thing, but clicking all the emojis or check marks is what I screwed up and didn't know. Okay. So now Moist Mike's in there. So yeah. Click the rule, go down, click the rule. Got Discord fine. Got Discord working finally. Hell yeah, Andrew. Yeah, get into that Discord. It's fun. It's like I said, we don't do anything crazy in there. It's not like it's like the secret room. It's just there to support each other, man. That's really what it's about. And there's a lot of great people in there that are in there constantly. And yeah, it's great. Please like and share the live with your friends and family. Oh, appreciate that. Thank you, Millicent. Waiting on the new Ripple pop socket. uh, just did it all. Thanks. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. But all right, guys, I'm gonna hop off here a little early. I gotta get the kids ready, man. We're gonna actually play soccer for the first time in a week and a half, dude. That's how sick we've been. We've been so sick. I haven't even the kids have been sick too. That they haven't even actually been out and done soccer. So we're gonna actually get out and kick the ball around today and get our feet back underneath us and get ready because we got our first game this weekend and we're gonna be chopping it. So we got to get ready. We got to get ready. So Carly, thanks so much for the 199 super sticker. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you guys so much. And like I said, thanks to Austin Soccer. Get ready for the pump, folks. You're right. Yeah. Every time I go to soccer, we seem to have a rally. So hopefully everyone's ready to pack their bags for this this week of soccer. So like I said, sorry it's a little short today, but when the weather holds up, when the weather starts to shine here in Washington, you got to take advantage of it. So with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I want to say thank you to everyone who's been here, who helped, just be a part of it today, and appreciate it. So with all that, love you guys a ton. We're out. Peace out, everyone.